Hey there guys, so in this one we are looking at expanding and simplifying algebraic expressions. Now this video comes from a personal request from Tracy, my #1 nurse. If you're watching this, hello, thanks for being a hero, thanks for everything you do. If you have any more requests before the next time I see you, and this goes to anyone, let me know down below in the comments, or I'll put a link to the Maths with Melv Facebook page where you can message me directly. Okay, let's crack on. Okay, now this is the type of question that we're going to build up to in this video, but before we get here, I'm going to briefly remind you what it means to expand and to simplify. So there are already videos on expanding brackets, so I'm going to link the playlist down below in the description where there's more detail. Also in there, there's expanding double brackets, so things like x plus 3 times x plus 5, so that's in that playlist. And also for higher minions watching, there's also a video on expanding triple brackets, so things like x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. So in this video though, we are just dealing with expressions where there might be more than one set of brackets, but we're not multiplying brackets together. So things like this red chap here. So first of all, a quick reminder on expanding brackets. So expanding in real life means to make things bigger. In maths, of course, it means something different. So when we are expanding, we are multiplying out brackets. So for this first example, where we have 5 sat next to brackets x plus 2, this means 5 times everything inside of the brackets. So there are different methods. Again, watch my video on expanding single brackets and I show you a few methods. So first of all, we want to do 5 times x, which is 5x. Next, we have a plus inside, so we put that down, and then we're doing 5 times 2, which is 10. Okay, for the next example, we've got 3 lots of x minus 2. So 3 times x is 3x. Now here we've got a minus next, so write him down, and then we've got 3 times 2, which is 6. So our answer there is 3x minus 6. Okay, then we've got 7 lots of 2 minus x. So don't be scared by the x being in a funny place. So 7 times 2 is 14. Then we got a minus. Okay, and then we're doing 7 times x. So our answer here is 14 minus 7x. Okay, and then this last one, we've got to be really careful with our signs here. So we've got a negative number on the outside. So minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Then we're doing a negative times a negative. So minus 3 times minus 4. Now a negative times a negative becomes a positive. So this is going to give us plus 12. So these four here are the expanding part of expand and simplify. So now we're going to have a quick look at simplifying, and then we're going to smush it all together. Okay, so simplifying is all about writing algebraic expressions in as fewer terms as possible. So here, with this guy, 5a plus 3b minus 2a plus 4b has, at the moment, 4 terms. But what we can do is collect together like terms. So what I mean by like terms here are the same letter terms. So we got two different types of term here. We got A's and we've got B's. So if we think of these as apples and bananas, then we've got 5 apples add 3 bananas minus 2 apples add 4 bananas. Now, if in real life this was our real apple and banana situation in our kitchen, we wouldn't tell anyone that's how many apples and bananas we have like that. We would tell them how many apples we have and how many bananas we have. So, what we're going to do, we're going to deal with the A's first of all. So we got 5a there, and then over here we're subtracting 2a. So we've got 5a minus 2a, which is going to leave us with 3a, and we've got 3 bananas plus 4 bananas, so we've got plus 7 bananas. So that expression simplified is 3a add 7b. So that's what simplifying is all about. Let's plonk this all together now. Okay, first example then, so the guy that we saw at the start. So, we want to expand and simplify this expression. So there's a very set order. We can't simplify before we've expanded. So the first thing we need to do is expand these brackets. So this first one, 5 lots of x plus 3, that expands to 5x plus 15. Now we've got a plus in the middle here, so we're now adding on 4 times x, so that's 4x, and then 4 times 9 is 36. So up to that, we've expanded. Now we want to simplify. So how many different types of term have we got? Well, we got x terms and number terms. So terms with no algebra attached. So let's deal with the x terms first of all. So we've got 5x over here and 4x there. So we've got 5x plus 4x. That's going to give us 9x. And then our number terms, well, we've got positive 15 add 36. 15 add 36 is going to give us plus 51. And there it is, expanded and simplified. Okay, next example. So we've got 10 lots of 3x minus 2 add 4 lots of x plus 3. So, first job, expand the brackets. So for this first one, 10 times 3x is 30x. 10 times minus 2 is going to give us minus 20. Then we've got a plus. So 4 lots of x is 4x. And then 4 lots of 3 is plus 12. We've expanded. Now we need to simplify. So, again, we've got two different types of term. We've got x's and number terms. So, we've got 30x and 4x. So we've got 34x, and then in terms of our numbers, we've got minus 20 add 12. So minus 20 add 12 comes up to minus 8. So again, there's our answer. Job's a good one. Okay, last example for this video. I really hope it's helped, guys. So we've got 7 times 2x plus 5 minus 3 lots of x minus 2. So first job, expand the brackets. So 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times 5 is going to give us plus 35. Now we need to be really careful with this next bracket with what signs we get. So we're doing minus 3 times x. So that's going to give us minus 3x. But then we're doing minus 3 times minus 2. So again, a negative times a negative gives us a positive. So that's going to give us plus 6. Okay, we've expanded. Now we need to simplify. So we've got 14x minus 3x. So that's going to give us 11x. Then we've got plus 35 plus 6. So that's going to give us plus 41 at the end. Job's a good one. Hope this has helped, guys. Take care.